In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating your own portfolio website on Wix, even if you've never built a website before. By the end of the video, you will have a professional portfolio customized with your own content. Whether it will look like the example I'm about to show you or slightly different, it's going to be easy and effective. So the first thing you have to do is to create an account on Wix. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, Apple, or simply creating an account with your email. So as you guys can see, I already have an account and I'm already logged in. So let's just get started. So we'll have to navigate to all sites and click on go to all sites. And from here, we have to click on create new site. Okay, so Wix will suggest you to bring your ideas to life with AI, and I would probably not suggest you to do that. Instead, I'm just gonna set up without chat. So as you guys can see, Wix already came up with some examples for the website I'm trying to create. And it already says here portfolio, so you just have to click here. If you don't see it, just simply type it in. Now, there are different types of portfolio websites. As you can see, there's design portfolio, journalist portfolio, PR, creative, film student, developer, and the list goes on and on. But I'm just simply going to stick to regular portfolio. So let's just click there. Continue. Now, the second step would be to give your website a name and describe it in a few words or sentences. This is optional. You don't have to do it. It's really up to you. So I'm just gonna name mine Golden Portfolio. And I'll just leave the description part empty. Click continue. Now, in the third step, Wix is asking you about your goals for this site. As you guys can see, it gave me plenty of options to choose from. You can totally leave this blank and just continue if you want to. So I'm gonna choose create and share content and showcase creative work. Continue. Okay, so in the fourth step, Wix is asking what else do you need to manage your site? If one of these things align with you, just feel free to select it. I don't think I need these, so I'm just gonna click on finish and let's just get started. Okay, so now you have to click on design site in the upper right corner. And here Wix again offers to generate a design with AI or to customize a template. Again, you can play around with AI if you want to. I would rather just stick to a template, so let's just do that. So here what you need to do is to hover over to creative and click on portfolios. So as you can see, Wix gave me a lot of templates based on the type of portfolio I need to use. So there's artist, photographer, illustrator, photographer again, branding portfolio, videographer, commercial photographer, school project. Once you find a template that you like, just click on view before editing it just to make sure that you actually like it. So that's what I'm gonna do with this one. Up here, if you click on the little mobile icon, it will show you how it looks on the phone. So after viewing the site, I decided that I like it, so I'm just gonna click on edit this site. But if for some reason you wouldn't like the template you're viewing, just simply click on back to templates and just keep browsing until you find one. Since I like this, I'm just gonna click on edit this site. Okay, so here we are in the editor. The first thing I would do is maybe to write a brief introductory about who you are and what you do. So let's just edit this text and write something on our own. So I'm just gonna paste the text here that I created on my own. As you guys can see, it's a little bit too big, so let's just select this all and decrease the font size to maybe, let's just say, yeah, let's just say 32. Okay. Okay, up here it says designer and art director. Let's just customize this to, let's say, graphic designer. And let's delete the second part. Okay. Also here, it's supposed to say my name. It says Bell Wong. Let's just change this to Gabe Thompson as well. Can just increase this a little bit so it would fit. Okay, now if you scroll down, you will see these random pictures for the template. Now, in order to upload our own images, we just simply have to click on Change Images and click on Edit Content. So as you can see, these are not just simply images, these are items, and each item represents a project. In order to change the main image of the project, let's just hover over on the image and let's click on it. And let's click on the three dots icon here next to it. Let's click on Replace Image. And here you can just drag and drop something from your own computer, or you can also search for stuff. So let's just say that I want to look for graphic design. It will give me certain results. There are pictures in Wix itself that you can just paste in here. You can find vectors, you can find all kinds of media, shapes, and you can also get images from Shutterstock and Unsplash. Now, Shutterstock is paid, so for each image you have to pay a certain price as it says below. But instead, Unsplash is free, so you can just click on whichever image you like and click Add to Item. As you can see, now the main image of the project is changed. When it comes to the gallery, you just have to do the same thing. So let's just hover over there, click on it, click on Manage Media, and here you can just, again, add your own media, drag it from your computer, or you can just click on plus Add Media, and again, look for whatever you need. So let's just say I want to look for male, 40-year-old. Let's just pick this guy from Unsplash, but of course you can use your own images instead. So let's click on it and click Add to Item. Let's also replace this with something else. Let's say bug. I know this is really random. This is just for the sake of example. Let's click on this. And once you're done, you just click on Save. So we can just close this, and as you guys can see, now it shows the updated image. So this was the project section. Let's go over to Profile. So if you're trying to switch over to Profile, it's not gonna work if you just simply click on it. Instead, what you need to do is you need to double click and select it here on the left side. You can close this. So in this section, you should introduce yourself briefly, change the name, the text, of course, and also the image. You should also use your own image here, of course. So I'm just gonna click here, click on Change Image, and upload my own. This time I'm just gonna drag and drop it from my own computer instead. So this is the image that I uploaded. As you can see, you can crop or edit it, adjust it. Let's say I want it to be a little bit more bright. Maybe decrease the contrast a bit. Or you can also click on Auto Enhance and it will do it automatically. Okay, so once this is done, I'm just gonna click on Save. If you would like to, you can also cut out the background. So you just have to click here and click on Auto Cutout. And as you can see, it removed the background automatically. Well, in this case, I would prefer to keep the background, so let's just cancel this. And you just have to click on Choose Image. Okay, this looks perfect. Maybe I want to make it a little bit smaller, so let's just decrease the size. Let's drag it maybe in the middle instead. Okay, that looks good. So if you keep scrolling down, you can list your services here. You can name one of your clients or multiple. Okay, this looks good. Let's head over to the portfolio section now. So double click, click on portfolio. Here you can add the brief text about your portfolio. You can also name it as you want. You can just scroll down and click on Manage Projects. It will recommend you to set up your portfolio with AI, but in this case, I'm just gonna skip it straight up and click on Setup without AI. So these are some example portfolios. You can click on Edit, and here you can name your project, add a description to it. You can add the project type, project date. You can add links to it, locations, dates, roles, etc. Here you can find the project media, so you just have to click on Manage Media. And again, either delete it or upload more. Let's just say that we want to delete all of these. And instead we want to add media on our own. So here I'm just going to drag the same picture as I used before, but of course you shouldn't do that. And once you uploaded all the images you wanted, just click on Done. Here you can also add alt text to images. You can share the project or edit the SEO settings as well. I like the way it looks, so I'm just going to click on Save and Close. And once you edited the portfolio to your liking, you can just simply close this. And as you can see now in the portfolio, there's my image. And finally, when you're satisfied with everything, you can just click here in the upper right corner on Publish. Now, if you're using Wix's free version, your website URL will look like this. So let's just click on View Site and let's see how it looks. So as you can see, the site is live and it works. It looks great. So as I said, this is the free version of Wix. But if you would like a professional domain, you should definitely upgrade to Wix Premium instead. Thank you for watching.